Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been 2 weeks. I'm vlogging again. Actually, I was down with typhoid fever. So now I'm feeling better. And also I have a reason to vlog because it's 15th of September. 12 बज चुके हैं and it's my birthday. So I'm going to celebrate my birthday with my family and I'll be showing you entire my birthday celebration. So I filmed this entire video on 15th of September, but unfortunately I have been short on time to edit it, or moreover I was not feeling well. I hope I'll get it sorted soon. So here I am. So I wore my birthday cap this year. Ting dong, it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me and thank you everybody for wishing me. So I'm just about to cut my cake. So this is basically not a proper cake because I was not in a mood of cake cutting. So मेरी मदर इन लॉ टीका करते हुए as our traditional ritual, and this entire birthday setup was done by my sister-in-law, and here I'm cutting the cake, singing birthday songs. So I got all my favorite pastries together for my birthday so I can taste not just one cake or just one flavor but a lot of flavors together. फिर हमने सबको केक खिलाया और अब बारी थी बर्थडे प्रेजेंट्स की. सो ये मेरी मदर इन लॉ ने दिया है सिल्वर का ब्रेसलेट और नज़र बट्टू, एंड हेयर्स माय डायमंड नेकलेस. इट्स वेरी प्रिटी और मुझे पहनाते हुए. एंड मेरे हस्बैंड ने मुझे गिफ्ट करी है गेस की वॉच, एंड मेरे हस्बैंड का एक बर्थडे गिफ्ट जो कि काफ़ी बड़ा था वॉज ड्यू. एंड हे इज़ माई सिस्टर इन लॉ. हम दोनों एक दूसरे को केक खिलाते हुए और मैं अपने सारे गिफ्ट्स लेते हुए. सो वेलकम टू द मॉर्निंग ऑफ 15 September. इट वॉज अ sunny morning and earlier it was 15 September night. We were celebrating at midnight and now as usual I'm heading towards my hospital, but before that थोड़ा नारियल पानी पी लेते हैं because why not? It is very important to stay hydrated on your birthday. No, not on your birthday but on every day.
मुझे एक कॉफी पिया में रख लो और तुम मुझे फोटो भेजो. इस नहीं, मेरे को मत कैप्चर. रुक जाओ, लाइट 1 2 3 go.
She is my colleague. She gifted me this silver ki ganpati. She is also my colleague. And this was given by my sweet third year students. ये मेरे हैं प्यारे थर्ड ईयर के बच्चे. And this is my department. So यहाँ भी हमने केक कटिंग करी, फिर हमने सबको केक दिया, फिर हमने ट्रीट ली, and then I'm heading back towards home. So it was a good day. So hi everyone. So today is my birthday. It is a continuation vlog to my birthday and we are heading to have dinner, a family dinner, and let's see what other people of the family are doing, if they are ready or not.
Hi.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम? You want to reveal it or not?
No, I will not
Okay.
reveal it.
You'll get to know later in the vlog.
How am I looking?
You're looking awesome.
We are going to Taj Hotel.
Hello.
So we are going to Taj
Yes.
for the dinner, for the family dinner, for birthday celebration. So we reached Taj Lucknow and हम जितनी पिक्चर्स क्लिक कर सकते थे हमने उतनी पिक्चर्स क्लिक करी और अपने फ़ोन की सारी मेमोरी भर दी. बिकॉज वाई नॉट, हम हर जगह यही करते हैं. दिस इज़ आवर फेवरेट टाइम पास. शी इज़ माई प्रिटी मदर इन लॉ. So I thank you to everyone, my family, my friends, my colleague, my students who made my day so special. Your love, wishes, kindness mean the world to me and I'm grateful for each and every one of you. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So I tell you one fun fact. My birth date was 15 and we got table 15. So here's all the food that we ate.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bhavi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday once again.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
So that's it for my birthday, and thank you so much once again for all your lovely wishes, and I'll be back with some different content. Good night. So I'm back to tell you my final gift. So this is my final gift, iPhone 16 Pro. My husband gifted me this.